It's closing day, and we're with Beth and Ed at the closing attorney's office, and after 9 long months, they will get their keys today. So let's find out what the temperature of the room is and what they're looking forward to and what's in the rearview mirror. So guys, are y'all excited about your house, or is that just an understatement?
We are thrilled. We have been waiting for this moment, what feels like longer than 9 months, but we're very excited.
Do each of you have, like, as you went through your walkthrough, is there something that just stands out as like, oh, this is my favorite thing I did?
I absolutely love the Taj Mahal quartzite island. I think it's spectacular. It even has a little green in it. I think it's beautiful. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
Really?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
And the fireplaces, both fireplaces.
Right. Ed, do you have a favorite?
Yeah, I think the island, I agree. I think it's
You know
great.
what I thought you were going to say?
What?
Is your beautiful bathroom.
Oh yeah, the bathroom, yeah.
Beautiful. I just love the look.
Thank you.
I really do. I think it is fantastic.
I think it came.
So pretty.
From concept to construction, Beth and Ed's dream home has gone from vision to reality. Over the past 9 months, we've seen this place come to life, brick by brick. What started as an idea is now a stunning, welcoming home that reflects their passion, vision, and personality. Thank you for following us on this journey. If you've been inspired by the new construction process and think you might want to build, give us a call. A new home is ground zero to 100% potential, just waiting to make fresh memories for you and your family. This concludes our Build with Beth and Ed series, where dreams find their foundation. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so that we can see you next time.